My name is Felix Septianto, an RC DECRA Fellow at the University of Queensland. My research mainly examined the role of feelings and emotions on consumer decision-making across different domains, including consumer ethics, prosocial, and sustainable behaviors. Or emotion in general can be helpful for us to engage in a better decision, to prosocially to our not just to other people but also our community. But the fact that we as human beings we tend to approach pleasure and then we want to avoid pain, right? But my findings suggest that the existence of mixed emotion, or basically not just positive but also the negative side of emotions, can be helpful for us to be a better person, to be encouraged to help other people. My research would be beneficial for non-profit organizations, for marketers that basically try to engage people to behave more prosocially or more sustainably. So in the context, for example, natural disaster, then we know that when in the presence of natural disaster, we want to help other people, but also we feel threatened because of those natural disasters. Then if we can combine a natural disaster campaign with specific messages to encourage people that our donation can actually create change, no matter how small it is. In reality, we always experience actually more mixed emotions, right? But yeah, I think it's just recently it becomes more applicable and it's more possible to study that.